Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings and product reviews. So if you enjoy that type of content, I would love it if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. It would mean so much to me. And guys, as always, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy and leave a comment down below telling me about your day and your thoughts on the unboxing. I love hearing from you guys. So today, as you can see, we actually have bras. I'm going to show you some bras. So this is from ThirdLove. So I was sent this for review, so thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. But ThirdLove is, they're going to find the best fit and true fit for you when it comes to bras. A lot of women wear the wrong size bra. So they will do the fit finder and get the perfect fit for you. And then you get to look and choose all kinds of different bras. They have underwire, they have wire free, they have bralettes, they have so many, amazing bras. Their number one bra is their classic t-shirt bra, which I'm pretty sure I do have one of those in here. So we are going to open this up. I'm going to show you my bras. I've got a strapless bra in here and then two others. So you can see variety and style of the ThirdLove bras are. So I will put a link down below if you would like to check out ThirdLove. And I love that they have the true fit finder. So you put in information because sometimes, you have cup sizes and you may not really need a D, but you're having a little spillage out of a C. So you need like a C.5 or something. But they can help with that, and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and open this up. It says the best bra is one you never think about, and that's the truth. And if you can put it on and not feel it and not have to think about it, then it's amazing. Because I can tell you right now, the best feeling in the world is when you've had a bra on all day and you come home and you take that sucker off. And I can tell you right now, I am the person that takes it off the second I walk in the door. I'm like, you're gone. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open this up and see. And I'm going to show you what we got. All right. So this is actually neat. This tells you it's okay. So one thing they have is their perfect fit promise, which I think is really awesome. It's a 60-day money back guarantee. Essentially, they give you 60 days to wear the bra, try it out. If it doesn't it says if you don't love it for any reason, they'll take it back. So that's not something you see a lot with, bras and things. So that means they stand behind what they're doing, and I love that. And this says how to make sure it's your perfect fit. Band feels snug on the loosest set of hooks you'll tighten over time. Underwire sits flat against your rib cage to support your breast without digging in. Cups form to the curve of your breast without gapping or overflow. Straps fit snugly on your shoulders without slipping or digging in. So, like they said, best bra is the one you never have to think about. So we're gonna get started. The first one I have is the classic t-shirt bra. But it literally is so soft, and when you're wearing it, it's not going to show anything. This does have the underwire, but the bands here are super soft and stretchy. I do like that. Especially, being plus size and having larger breasts, having here, 5 hooks instead of 2 or 3. I know this isn't going anywhere. So I do love that. And I do love that ThirdLove is size inclusive. So they obviously do have plus size bras. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So that again is like the classic t-shirt bra. Then And actually, you know what? You can take the straps off of that. Is that? That's what that is. Okay. This is actually, I'm sorry, that was actually the strapless bra. So you have the option for straps, but you can take them off if you want. Okay. That's awesome. Okay. And the next one is kind of like the ooh la la. Lace contour plunge bra. But again, even though it's like a plunge and, you know, this is obviously a little bit more on the sexy side. You know, you're trying to, hey babe. But you can see how I like how the lace goes up here. You do have the adjustable straps, and it's got the nice foam fitting, same as like the t-shirt bra almost. And there is a slight bit of padding right here. And I just really like these. Like, this is honestly probably my favorite as far as the way it looks. I obviously haven't worn any of them, so I can't tell you that. But I just think that they're beautiful and the material is great. And again, I love that they have the size inclusiveness of going from, you know, petite and small to plus size, all shapes and sizes, and just a variety of strapless. But I love that the strapless bra can be made into a regular bra, so you can wear it for any occasion. And then they have, you know, the sexier side. And then now we're getting, this is the classic like t-shirt bra. And I did pick like a nudish color here, kind of almost like a rose gold color. I do love it. But this is just, here's the straps, and then there is that. Again, so soft, y'all. These, I mean, like, just the softest things. I like here, this is actually like a mesh almost, so it's like kind of breathable. So, because y'all know boob sweat is a real thing. Don't even act like it's not. So I like that has that little breathable section right there. And thankfully we're getting closer to the fall months, so we won't have to worry about boob sweat for a while, but it is a real thing. So I do love this. So I can't wait. Oh my gosh. This one, the side is the softest thing ever. Oh, and it is like stretchy. I love that. But y'all, it is so soft. And I think it's going to be a breathable fabric too. So that's even better. So those are the 3 bras that I got from ThirdLove. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to check them out. I just think that they're fantastic as far as the way, like I said, that they have such an inclusive size range, and they have the fit finder, and they stand behind it with a 60-day guarantee. So you can't go wrong. So if you're looking for some new bras, some comfortable bras, some bras that are gonna make you not even remember you have a bra on, like the t-shirt bra, I definitely recommend trying ThirdLove. Their products are phenomenal. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.